In the heart of Whispering Woods, a magical forest where trees could talk and streams sang merrily, lived three best friends: Benny the brave squirrel, Lila the curious deer, and Oliver the wise owl. Every day was an adventure, but this one was going to be different. One sunny morning, the trio discovered an unusual map tucked inside an old hollow tree. The paper was old and faded, with illustrations of mountains, rivers, and a mysterious X mark. "What do you think it leads to?" whispered Lila, her eyes wide with excitement. Oliver gave a knowing nod. "Why, it could be treasure, or perhaps a forgotten place, hidden from the eyes of the world." Benny, ever the daring spirit, twitched his whiskers and said, "Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's follow it." The friends set off immediately, each offering their unique skills. Benny was excellent at navigating the forest floor, Lila used her speed to scout the area from afar, and Oliver took to the sky, guiding them with an overview of the map. Their path was not easy. They had to cross the Giggle Creek by hopping on slippery stones, and at one point, a sudden rainstorm almost washed the map away. But through it all, they worked together, laughing and helping each other as best friends do. Late afternoon found them at the foot of Misty Mountain. According to the map, the treasure lay beyond its peak. "We'll need to climb," said Benny confidently. The ascent was steep, and the air grew chilly as they climbed higher. The sun was just beginning to set as they reached the top, casting a golden light on everything. There, tucked behind a rock, was a small chest, shimmering with age. With Oliver's guidance, they managed to open it, revealing not gold or jewels, but seeds wrapped in soft, green cloth. "What does this mean?" asked Benny, slightly disappointed. Oliver, with his wise eyes twinkling, said, "These are seeds of the great harmony tree, said to bring joy and prosperity wherever they grow." Excitedly, Lila said, "We must plant them back in the heart of our forest, where everyone can share the magic." And so, they carefully carried the seeds back to Whispering Woods, where they planted them in a sunlit glen. Days turned to weeks, and with each passing day, the young tree grew taller, its leaves singing a melody that filled the air with happiness. The tree indeed brought joy to all the forest creatures, becoming a symbol of friendship, unity, and the adventure that had brought them together. Benny, Lila, and Oliver often sat under its shade, remembering their thrilling journey and dreaming of new adventures to share. The end of one story was just the beginning of another in the enchanting Whispering Woods, where magic and friendship thrived forever.